Hiya. Now, I've been asked to talk about what kind of necklace to buy if you really only want one, all right? So let's just chat about that very quickly. You can see right now I'm wearing a multi-strand necklace, which consists of silver, and then we have gold, and then we have the darker deep brown, right? Now, what happens there is the silver or white gold or whatever you want to say, we're just going to call it silver, jumps out and it's crisp, it's fresh, and it's young. So it comes right out. Then we have the gold, which is sophisticated but old and much more subtle, a much more blending piece. Then when we have the dark bit added, now this can be black, this can be done in anything, but it's just, been created to be darker to add a little bit of edginess and a little bit of a framing effect. So that three strands there. Now this is a Peter Lang piece, works perfectly. So as a natural rib cage, which frames, gives me a bit of shape, necklace, this is perfect, right? Then you see me wear this one all the time. So again, you've got the gold, which is subtle, sophisticated, old worldly. You have got the brightest, whitest, well, when I say whitest, I just mean it's crisp, but let's go silver reflecting there. So that's crisp and modern. And then we have the black, which adds that edginess. So having, let's say, light, dark, and then a more natural, subtle feel there. There we go, those three there. So it's a perfect necklace having those three. So if you don't want to go black, if you can't find it with black in it, you can do the, I'm going to call that dark brown, right? Don't have to go all the way black, but that works perfectly too. So I look for these things. So when I am shopping for my necklaces, that's what I look for. And when it comes, this is a collar, this changes my collar, this one. So you've got the black fabric on the bottom, and then you've got the gold. Can you see the gold surrounding, the old worldly, more sophisticated, but much more subtle surrounding. And then you've got the crisp, young, modernized brightness again with the silver. So the three elements within the one necklace does make an easy, perfect necklace to wear. So if you're only going to buy one piece, perhaps just look for those three within it. All right? Okay, so I hope that helps, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.